Hello, everybody. How's it going? Had a little technical issues. Give me a go sign on the volume and the audio, please, if you would. That'd be helpful to me. Make sure we're good. But welcome to the channel and welcome to some live TA here. So let's jump in. We're going to look right at Bitcoin. I'm just going to try to give you some quick updates here so we can understand, because after the video we had a little bit of a tank and it wasn't a diagonal at all, and I wanted to follow that up with some TA here. So um, let's see. So Max, how's it going, man? Good eye down under. All right. Got some. Let's see. That's 10-minute chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. 1 hour chart here. Yeah, guys. Sorry about the video today. My mic, the setting in OBS wasn't set right. It was set to my laptop mic and not my headset, and so it was miserable. So glad everybody's here. All right, let's jump in. Let me just do a little TA right in front of you here. Looks like we've got the finish of a wave. We got a 3-wave move here, guys, is what just happened. Come on. There it is. I'm having a hard time today. Okay. So yeah, you can kind of, it was looking kind of like a diagonal. It was not. It fell off here. We got a 3-wave move here. So this looks like a WXY. Or it's a 5, 3, and a 5. We're going to get a 5th wave down. I'm not sure which one. Okay. There is a potential diagonal right here. Just look, just things jumping out at me right now. I'm just going to highlight them. Okay. So potentially some kind of a diagonal there. Or that's just a WXY or a 3-wave move of some kind. But it's potential. Then we've got a 3-wave here. There's a 3-wave. And now what we've got here is a 3-wave move as well. This looks very corrective. This came to the 1-to-1 extension. Yeah, it looks corrective for sure. Right there is a little corrective wave, a little 3-wave move. This needs to be 3 waves. Maybe that's it right there. Boom, 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 like that. Just a quick 3-wave, and then we're off to the races again. Maybe, most likely it's finished, but we'll see. We'll see what it's been. Bitcoin's been eating these things up, like, you know, been coming down and then boom. So let's see here. The 1-to-1 extension of the entire move is right here. We did not hit it. We wicked close to it, but front ran it, and then it just, I mean, shoot, it just wicked through the 786. So I don't know if we're going to get another hit down here to the 1-to-1 or the 127 or even the 1618. Don't know that. Not certain about that, but right here we'd be looking for another 3-wave move. Ugh. Right there. So I don't know if that's a 5-wave, then this needs to be a 5-wave, but this doesn't. This is started out as a 3-wave. So, you know, I'm more inclined to interpret this as a 3-wave move somehow, and interpret this last wave as a 3-wave move as well. That's the way I'm inclined to interpret that sucker. So here you can kind of see this, the larger 3-wave. Okay, so we've come to the 1-to-1 extension, and most likely up is the next move. Okay, so where do we go if that's the case? Let's remove the drawings and see. 2-hour chart. You can see we've got hidden bullish divergence here on the 2-hour. Right there, clear as day. That's hidden bullish divergence. Now we may get a little bit more. I'm not sure. We might, but it's rejected pretty good, so it may be done. What would we expect? 1, 2. Let's measure that guy. This kind of came up. We're targeting 10,300 right now, guys. The next fib here is at 10,003. 4. This is a tough one because I think this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the third wave. So I would make all this the third. So this is the fourth wave of the third. So it looks like we need to come up here for the third. 1, 2, 3. Let me count them for you. Where am I? Right there. 1, 2, 3 isn't finished. I'm thinking up here at 10,300. 4, 5. Maybe. If my count's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. No thanks. Yeah, it came right to the 1618 here for the third. So to subcount this, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my subcount. Where is? Let's make that red. Okay. So that's the way I'm looking at that, guys. That would get us up here somewhere around 10,300. Okay. Let's do this. Let's figure it out a different way here. See if there's any confluence with the fibs. The 50% is 10,366. 618 is at 10,523. What structure would support such a thing? It's up there. That's up there. Okay, so if that counts right, guys, there's your bull count right there. That's your bull count. Except it might be going higher. This might be a higher 3. I don't know. Might get us up to here to 11,000. Shoot. That's if this wave is correct. Let me look at it a different way just to check myself. You know, only other way I'm seeing this here. Let me try it a different way here. Okay, so that's a bullish count with more upside. Let me give you a little less bullish count. Let me teach you something real quick, and then I'll show you the application. An extended fifth wave is often a 1-to-1 extension of the 1 to 4. Let me show it to you. So sometimes if you get an extended fifth, you 3, 4, and then you get an extended fifth like that. Okay, and so basically, the way that looks. Yeah, the only problem here is that this doesn't come up high enough for that. Yeah, this can't be a. See, Oh yeah, it can. Yes, it can. Um, 1, 2. All that's 3. This could be 4, and then we get the fifth wave. So if that's the case, where do we come? Sorry. Still targeting. Yeah. 10.3, 10.5. There's some fibs up there. It's a tough one, guys. It's a tough one. Sorry I'm rambling here, but anyway. Um, so what I was showing you here is it's a one-to-one extension of this, and so if I throw the fibs on the 1 to the 3 to the 4, often an extended fifth wave will come up here to the one-to-one extension. Okay, and so what I'm thinking here, what this could be, is this is 1, 2, and this is let's see, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is an extended fifth. So in other words, the way we subcount the third wave is like this. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't break 1, and then 5, and that's the extended fifth. And now we're getting the fourth wave. So what that does is that puts the count at like this. So what I just did is subcounted the third wave. So we could go 1, 2, that's 3, this is 4. Going to get 5 up to this region. I don't like it, but I don't like it. It's tough. And the reason I don't like this, I'm finding it hard to count this. And again, guys, a lot of you, are maybe new to the channel or something, but basically, I'm an Elliott wave trader, and what I do on my channel is exclusive Elliott wave. I use RSI a little bit as well, but I generally only talk about the Elliott wave on the channel, just to be distinct as a channel. But that being said, I do complete TA all the time. My difficulty with this count right here is this wave right here. Okay. I guess what we have to make it is a 535 with a truncated C. Okay, it's a truncated C that it can't be technically a running flat because it didn't come up to 90%, and it doesn't count right. Though I called it a running flat the other day incorrectly. But that being said, there's a ABC right there, or some kind of WXY or something with a truncated Y, or some weird, real bullish thing. And then, yeah, I'm having a hard time with this count here. It's showing up. The RSI is showing up. We've got, like I said, hidden bullish divergence on this is the 1 hour. We got it on the 2 hour. We got it on the don't have it much on the 4 hour. Don't have any hidden bullish on the. We've got bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Right here, we got bearish divergence here in the 4 hour. So in the larger time frame, guys, we're going to get a larger correction here pretty soon. But in the short, we may have one more hit to the high, one more push up here to 10,004, 10,500. Okay, that may be the case. 10,004. Shoot, we could get all the way to 10,006 or 7 even, but it's kind of an odd number. The double top here is 10,000. 10.5. It's the best I got right now, guys. That's the best I got. It looks like we get one more hit, but I just wanted you to know that in the video that I made today, that ending diagonal is out. It's out. It got invalidated with that move down. So I wanted to get this TA out to you, at least a way to look at it. So that's the way I'm looking at it, guys. Yeah, Jesse Brown, man. Um, yeah, I don't like it because this wave structure sucks, man. Okay, it sucks bad. um, the wave structure is really hard, and there's some of these waves that really are confusing to me, and so I don't like it because I don't understand it, and it makes me mad. So yeah, and this structure is crap. Is all what that is. That's just a bunch of crap. It's very similar to this run right here. Um, the structure is very similar to that run I mentioned in the last video, just a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger for sure, but the structure's similar. But what we didn't get is that this lower hit, which I was expecting a lower hit before we came up here. I was expecting this move to this region, guys, up to here, but I was expecting more something like this. We didn't get that at all. So yeah, this is looking like some kind of diagonal with a little tiny move, and now we're getting an impulse wave to the upside again. So we have already, if I make it like that, you know, we're right at the 1-to-1 extension, 90, 99. We're bouncing around the 1-to-1 extension. If that's the way to count it, I don't know that it's the way to count it, but it certainly, actually, let's see. One way to do it is that this just has an ending diagonal right here for a 3-wave move. And I've talked about this count before. That here's a 3-wave move, 3-wave move. Can't be 3-wave move. Dang on it. It's not an ending diagonal at all. This could 3-wave, 3-wave. See now, how do you delineate this sucker? It just looks too bullish. The structure's so bad. One, two, three, four. This is the 5th wave, guys. This is the 5th wave of this move. This move is about finished. 1, 2, 3. Where do you put it? 4, 5. We're close to the end, guys. Gotta be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, one more hit. One more hit. That's the way I see it. So then, with that count right there, this is the count right here. It is a leading diagonal. Others will disagree, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leading diagonal. A crap 3-wave move, and then a 5-wave. So that's a 5, 3, and a 5. That's my final answer. That's my final answer. With that count, boom, boom. We're at the 1-to-1 extension. 10,200 is the 1-to-1. Is that right? 10,140. I'm not sure if I have it right on the tick or not. Yeah, I mean we're sitting right around the the one-to-one extension. That's what we're doing. We might have one more hit. We got the 127 up here at 11,000. This looks like a 5-wave move that's finishing. So again, going to the small time frame. One, two. I'm just trying to do some more work on this count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be finished. That could be 4, and then we get 5th wave. That's. I'm going to stick with 10.4, guys. 10.450 is my my final top. That's what I think. My final conclusion. I think we're going to hit maybe 10.3 to 10.450 in that range. That's what I got. Let me do another projection. From down here. Yeah, there's a lot of confluence here, guys, at 10.2 to 10.3. So yeah, usually we're going to wick beyond the fib. So I'm seeing one more push up to the upside. It's not going to break the top over here. It might double top. I don't know. It could, but I don't think it is. 10.3, 10.450, and then down. That's my final answer. That's what I think. And that fits a time frame also. That fits a time frame for the halving. Okay, that's what I got. Okay, let's see here. Thanks, Jesse. Appreciate it. What's up, Rob? Glad you caught the live stream. Philip, man, if I see a bullish wave, I'll let you know. But this ain't a bullish wave. I'm gonna do a video on it tomorrow. So, but I guess I could say you're too bullish. Yeah, I'm not forcing a count. I'm really trying to find the count, Rob. I don't force counts. I just try to see it, and I can't see it. But I think this count that I just gave you is my best count. That's the best count right there. Leading diagonal 5, 3-wave. That's a crap 3-wave, but it's a 3-wave down, and then we got a 5-wave moving up. That makes the most sense out of everything. I don't like to trade 5th waves because they're so tricky. JG, I don't. I mean, Litecoin could pump up to 60, but I can't guarantee such a thing. So be careful, okay? Yeah. So I'm thinking down here, guys. You know, this isn't an impulse wave. This is a 3-wave. So it's implying, guys, down here to 3,000 again, double bottom probably, right here. That's what it's implying, as best I can see. I don't know that I can give you an end of year prediction because I don't mess with time much. I don't mess with time. Worst case scenario, Raul, 0. It dropped to 0. I don't think that's going to happen, but anything's possible. A lot of the stocks in the S&P are going close to 0. Oil went negative. I mean, it's crazy. So, worst case. But it's not going to drop immediately. It's not going to drop in one day. It's going to go down in waves. So let's get this first wave, like right over here, we got a wave down and then we got a pullback and then we got more waves that came. So once we get that first wave and then a pullback, we'll begin to be able to see what's going on with it. So let's wait till we get the wave that starts us down. Okay. All right, I've had a request to look at the at BTC on the 3-day, so I will do that. I'm gonna remove my drawings. 3-day chart. Yeah, I see it. I see it. So Philip's contention is that this is 1, 2 is finished, and we're on the way to 3 has begun. That we're heading up. This is bull. Huge bull wave coming. Could be. 2 could be finished completely. We have kind of almost engulfed this area, no doubt about it. It's got the look, man. It's got the look. It's got the look on the 3-day for sure. No divergence really to speak of here on the 3-day. So, yeah. Go to the daily here. So, my count right now is that that's a leading diagonal. See, my problem with this little wave right here sucks. That's a suck wave, is what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean, there's a bull count right there. Bull count's putting this to $11,000 or $12,000, guys. So if Philip's right and I'm wrong, I mean, 12,300 is the 1618, guys. We would expect this wave to get up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would just be the first wave. Just be the first wave. And then we'd expect a 3-way pullback of some kind, really quick, and then on we go. So there's the bull scenario. Now, if this is a 3-wave move, that's a 3-wave. That's a 3-wave. We could get another 3-wave double bottom, and what that would be is 1, and then 2 is finished, and then we go up. It's kind of a weird look for sure. There's no doubt about that. It's a weird look. But so is this crap right here. That straight down stuff. It's a weird look too. But nope. W, X, Y. Yeah, that's been the question all along. Is it finished? So, all right, there you go, guys. That's the way I'm seeing it. Those are the options. You got a bull count. You got a bear count. See. Huge flat. Wow. Is it possible? We're making a huge flat. I suppose it's possible. This I know is 3 waves. I've done the count. So there's 3 waves in here. So there's good. This is 5 waves to me. That's not 3 waves. That's 5 waves. That's 3 waves. So that would have to mean that we get 5 waves to the upside like this for a 3 wave. And that's a 3, a 3, and then a 5. Would that not kill everybody? 5, 3, 5. We got a 3, and then a 5. Back down to here, and then it's on. That's what a flat would look like on the 3-day, on the daily. So there you go. Maybe it's possible. Theresa May. All right. Yellow Lambo. Oh man. I'm just reading the chat, guys. Yeah, neither do the Bear Boys. Moon Boys and Bear Boys. There's always both sides. All right. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that the video I made today was, invalidated, and it was validated quickly. So I wanted to put this information out to you because I like good information. I want you guys to have good information. So you don't have any other channel more committed to you guys than I am. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, guys. If you just got here, rewind. You're going to get a look. I gave bull counts, bear counts. We've looked at the 3-day. But just to remind you, my count right now is that is a leading diagonal. This is my best count. Leading diagonal right there. Okay, then we got a 3-wave piece of nothing. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, getting the 5th wave. And we need to finish. We got one more wave to finish. I think that wave. And that's going to put us up here double topping this right here, most likely. Somewhere around 10.4, 10.5. That's my final answer for now. Until Bitcoin does something different. But until then, guys, that's the way I'm looking at it, okay? All right. Guys, I'm pretty tired. I don't want to do chart requests. Sunday night is for chart requests. I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? But I just wanted to get you the Bitcoin TA. Let's see. Yeah, I got Litecoin pulled up here. Litecoin's probably coming up to structure. Not that. Litecoin's coming up here. Maybe. If Bitcoin pumps. 60, 64. Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum's kind of already pumpy, but maybe 250. I mean, if Bitcoin pumps and it goes, then maybe here's the top of this wave here. 250, 260, maybe, but not sure about that. Yeah, this looks more three wave-ish to me. It's a little clearer on the three waves. Oh yeah, came to the 786. Oh, excuse me. If you exclude this wick down here, this is a 1-2. That's a 1-2. And we're in the middle of 3-4, so it's really, really bullish if you exclude that wick. If you don't exclude the wick, you got a three wave here. So that's the tough one for me. Do you exclude the wick or keep the wick? Don't know what to do. All right, guys. You guys have a great night. I'm gonna go hang out with the family and get some rest. We'll talk to you later. Got to end the stream. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. Bye bye.